Hey guys, this is Crypto Coin Investor. In this video, I'm going to talk about my experience with Binance since I joined it back in the end of 2017. So for those who are still living under the rock, the Binance is one of the world's leading cryptocurrency exchanges, providing traders with access to huge range of coins and tokens across multiple crypto and fiat pairings. Since its creation in 2017, Binance cryptocurrency exchange has not only focused on becoming one of the best cryptocurrency exchanges, but it has also become a large and growing ecosystem of trading products and blockchain protocols, which provides some of the most comprehensive tools for traders and crypto enthusiasts like me and you. Back in 2017, there were chiefly two big cryptocurrency exchanges, and people were looking for a better option. And Binance filled that void at the perfect time, just before the mega bull run. Over these 3.5 years, Binance has upped their game by a huge margin. Being part of Binance is being part of the amazing Binance ecosystem. Binance has built a vast ecosystem of products and services to make it easier and more accessible for people in multiple jurisdictions to participate in the blockchain industry. This Binance ecosystem, which includes all of their various trading products, is how most people refer to the company as a whole. This ecosystem includes their exchange, academy, broker, charity, cloud, DEX, their cryptocurrency information platform, labs, their awesome launchpad, Binance Research, and the amazing Trust Wallet. The Binance coin BNB is at the heart of Binance system. It has total market capitalization of more than $2 billion. BNB was originally just an ERC20 token, which was deployed on the Ethereum blockchain. But now, the BNB token is now the basis for the Binance Decentralized exchange, the DEX. Since its creation, the BNB token has functioned as a way to pay the fees on the Binance exchange, offering discounted rates for traders. During 2019, BNB rose from just $6 per coin in January, reaching a peak of over $37 in June. As a result, the Binance coin was one of the best performing top 10 market coins. Even with its post-June decline in price, it generates exceptional returns for its investors. This huge difference in price is due to Binance regularly burning its token and its increased utility within the growing Binance amazing ecosystem. Binance has made it official that they will carry on burning their tokens until 50% of the total 200 million tokens have been destroyed. Since the total BNB supply decreases, the value of each BNB token should increase in the long run. So it's all clear that the Binance is growing at an amazing rate. In fact, even at the end of 2017, the Binance was able to become the biggest exchange by trading volume by being accessible to a very large number of interested crypto asset investors and traders at the time when the interest was approaching all-time highs. Because the number of ICOs that were launching back then increased dramatically as well, the hype and demand for larger varieties of cryptocurrencies also increased dramatically. Binance was one of the first large exchanges where the people were able to register on the platform using only their email address, and just by their email address they were able to gain instant access to the wide variety of coins and tokens being traded there. And during 2018, Binance continued to expand its presence on the internet and began developing a more complex ecosystem. This included launching Binance Academy, its own venture capital fund, and then they acquired the amazing Trust Wallet and even opened new services in Africa. During this time, Binance moved its headquarters to Malta, which is particularly more crypto friendly. Nevertheless, during the past few years, Binance has made some big updates, including the addition of margin trading, staking, futures, and partnership with derivatives exchange FTX.com. And boy oh boy, the good things didn't end there. Recently, they acquired CoinMarketCap, which is the most popular crypto market cap tracker and API provider. This acquisition was successfully closed on March 31st, 2020, yes, this year. The $400 acquisition is the largest deal Binance has made till date. CZ, who is the founder of Binance, has said in an interview that they will be helping to grow the CoinMarketCap even further. But despite its ventures into education, venture capital, and mobile wallets, the flagship product from Binance still is It's awesome exchange. The standard exchange interface, also called the spot exchange, as the traders are buying and selling for real assets on the live market, features two modes for users: basic and advanced. The basic mode, as its name suggests, is simple. It provides simple trading interface where users can choose a trading pair, set limit and market orders, place stop limits, and trade in a clear and easy to navigate environment. Choosing the advanced mode will allow traders to access a wider range of charting instruments and technical indicators. This includes the most popular ones like RSI, moving averages, Bollinger Bands, and more. Traders looking to do a technical analysis can also use the charting tools to draw on the charts in advanced mode. But here's the best part: the general user interface, even in the advanced mode, is just as user friendly as Binance basic mode. It is just that the tools are a tiny bit more advanced. The main thing to remember about the Binance exchange is that you are trading here for real assets, not contracts like their future exchange. And if you're a risk taker, you want to make some more profits, Binance offers margin trading. They introduced live margin trading back in February 2020 after hinting for it for many months. Margin trading is currently available for almost all the popular cryptocurrencies out there, and this includes BTC, Ripple, BNB, TRX, Stellar, and Ethereum. Margin trading is the practice of borrowing funds from a broker, which in this case is Binance, to buy underlying assets. It is also very similar to the leverage trading, which involves taking on debt to increase a trading position. By the way, Binance also offers leverage trading. To start a margin trading on Binance, you will first need to manually activate your account for this feature. This can be done by visiting your account dashboard while you're logged in onto the standard exchange. Just visit the Binance Details tab. Here you will find an option to enable this margin trading thing. Clicking on Margin Trading tab will prompt a risk warning, at which point you will see an option to open the margin trading account. Click this if you're ready, and margin trading will become instantly available to you. Just keep in mind that you must need to do full KYC and enable 2FA to access this very feature. And now let's talk about leverage trading. Leverage involves use of borrowed capital to open large trading positions than you normally would using your own funds. For example, a leverage of 100x would allow a user with just $100 of original capital to trade with $10,000. This helps you generate larger profits but also risking larger losses. As you can see, the user interface is similar to the advanced mode of the spot trading on Binance Exchange. This is clearly for the intermediate to experienced traders who have a certain appetite for risk. It is a great option for those looking to take advantage of the daily fluctuations in the cryptocurrency markets. Here's the best part: if you already have a Binance account, you can simply use the Binance Futures Exchange. Binance also offers something called Binance Decentralized Exchange, or DEX. This focuses on building decentralized exchange infrastructure where Binance chain-based tokens can be created and issued. This ties in closely with Binance Launchpad, where new projects can be created and traded. However, there's a difference. Since this is a decentralized exchange, the users can trade peer-to-peer without a centralized exchange processing all these orders. Similar to other decentralized exchange and Ethereum-based token exchanges, the Binance DEX allows users to create their own Binance Chain wallet to store and trade Binance-based tokens, and then you can trade them against BNB pairings on over 100 digital assets. Binance DEX has grown considerably over the past year. It has succeeded in bringing many new projects to the exchange who have either issued a portion of their tokens as Binance Chain assets or ran token sales through the DEX. And now, the Binance is making something even bigger. They're working on something called Binance Chain. The plan has always been to eventually move the BNB tokens off the Ethereum blockchain and onto its own specifically developed blockchain. The Binance Chain functions as a digital asset creation and exchange platform. This specialized blockchain allows users to send and receive BNB tokens, issue new tokens, make trades, and even stake their BNB tokens for involvement in governance decisions. The Binance blockchain is a non-custodial of users' funds, which in other words, it is totally decentralized. This allows them to process a large number of transactions, higher speeds, and lower costs, and at the same time, they offer a lot of liquidity. The Binance Chain started producing blocks back in April 2019 and has multiple assets issued on its blockchain protocol. These tokens primarily trade on Binance.org, otherwise known as the Binance DEX, which I've already explained above. You know, these are some of the very few projects that Binance is currently working on. The Binance is working on many more amazing projects, and it would take me just days to cover all of them. Well, in the end, I have to say that my journey with Binance has been amazing. Over the past couple of years, I've enjoyed all of their new services and products. Binance and its suite of trading instruments is one of the most trusted cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. With an excellent security record, high level of user protections, and huge variety of assets, it is easily the best exchange in the world to begin your crypto journey with. Signing up on Binance is free, so why not give it a try today? I've given a link in the description down below. You can use that link to sign up on the Binance. I hope you found my video useful. Hit that like button to show your appreciation. That's all I want from you guys. And stay subscribed for more cryptocurrency, ICO news, and price analysis. Bye bye.